how did you guys like my new intro? It took me like hours to figure out how to actually put it on the video, but I will give credit where credit is due down in the description. Today we're starting off with the brows like normal, using the Anastasia Cream Contour Palette because Miss Benefit, the brow, is not reliable. Probably my dumb fault, because I probably left it open, but we don't talk about it, okay? Today I'm pretty much just going to be doing like a halo eye look. Setting my brows with the Anastasia Tinted Brow Gel and moving on. So I'm taking the Tarte, I don't know, the new Tarte foundation. I don't really think it matters the shade just because we're all different shades. And then I'm taking that Morphe brush, sculpting the brows like we do every video. One of the next videos I'm going to be doing is going to be an in-depth tutorial about brows, eyeliner, and eyelashes. Just keep a lookout for that. Then I'm taking that Tarte foundation again and just applying it to my eyes. Same as the last video, I'm going to be starting with my eyes just because these red shades have a lot of fallout. And I'm setting that with the Coty Airspun powder because I totally forgot that my favorite NYX setting powder broke. It freaking broke. It shattered all over my floor. Can you believe it? Then I'm going to going in with the original Jaclyn Hill palette from last year. So beautiful, still love her. Going in with the big Morphe M504 brush. It's like a big fluffy brush. And I lost like the little sheet with all the names of the shadow. That's why I showed you, because I don't remember all the names, alright? Judge me, I don't care. Going into the crease and just blending that out kind of as I go. It is a big fluffy brush, so it makes it a lot easier. Then I'm taking that Morphe M433. It's a little bit of a tinier packing brush. I'm just going in with that brown shade and the red shade. And tapping off the excess, you saw a whole bunch actually came off of the brush just because I don't want it too harsh. I want to be able to build it and make it look exactly how I want. Then I'm going back in with that first big brush and just blending everything out. Then I'm going in, this is actually not that brush, the M167, but this is from like one of the really old like brush collection sets, and there's no name on it. I think it's from like the 18-piece vegan brush set. That was like the first brushes of Morphe that I ever bought. But you can use that other brush, just it's like the same thing. Then I'm blending that back out with the same other two brushes. What am I saying? English, hello. With the other two brushes that I used. And then just packing on that color even more. Blending it out even more just to get the most pigment as possible while still blending it out. Then I'm taking that same concealer brush that we use for our eyebrows and I'm going in with my concealer and placing that right in the middle. We're not jogging it out to the outer edge, to the inner edge. We're not doing a cut crease. We're doing a halo. This is very different because it's not going to make your eyes look longer like a half cut crease would, like in my last video. This is going to make your eyes look more of like a bombshell. Like just a rounded, more focused towards the center. And I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill Morphe again. I'm a little obsessed. The Ringling Alarm palette, and I'm taking these shades. Yeah, you saw. I'm not gonna say those. And I'm just packing that on. At first, it doesn't show a lot of the shimmer, just because I want to just get that base down. Here in a minute, if you actually go in and then spray it with anything, like I'm using like a setting powder. See right there. It makes it a lot more pigmented, a lot more metallic, and a lot more pretty. going back in with those other brushes and blending it out, yada yada, you know the drill. And then I'm taking the shade On Camera, and I'm just taking this random little brush. I think it just came with one of some little eyeshadow kit that I bought, I don't know. And I'm spraying that down with the Morphe setting spray. I know I'm obsessed with Morphe. Get off my back. You don't have to tell me. I didn't know I was gonna do a gold. I originally was just planning on doing a whole red look. But it was kind of boring, and I just wanted to put something else in the middle, and the gold actually turned out being really pretty, and I think I liked it a lot more than if I would have just left it red. See that? Then I'm going in with the eyeliner. Again, I'm not going to be too descriptive. I don't know the word. English. Good morning. I'm not going to be too in detail. I'm not going to go into detail about how I'm doing this, just because I am going to post another video. Probably won't be the next one. After that will be an in-depth tutorial on how to do a winged eyeliner. And then see all that fallout. This is why, especially going in with darker colors and red shades, I do my eyes first, just because there is hella fallout, y'all. So I'm just wiping that away and watching TV like a rude, and my eyeliner's smeared. Love that. Then I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Born This Way foundation and the Wet Beauty blender, and I'm just dabbing it all over my face. Not putting too much. We don't want really a full coverage with this look, especially since it's winter and my skin is hella dry, okay? Make sure you get that 5 head. And then moving on to concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm just putting it on the T area, under my eyes, on my chin, and around the red parts of my nose. Blending that out again with the pointy end of the Wet Beauty blender. I'm going in with the cream contour palette. I don't show it. I was a very bad beauty guru this day. Okay, I was not feeling it. Taking the Morphe E8s and just blending that into the contours of my cheeks and my forehead. Making that 5 head of forehead. And then blending that out again with the Beauty Blender. And then I'm just setting my face with the Beauty Blender again. I'm not going to tell you why. I already told you why like 4,000 times. And then going with the contour palette. These shades are from the, what's it called? The Kat Von D Shade and Light. The packaging was super dirty and super just not taken care of. So I just popped the shades out and put it in this little V palette. Contouring my nose, just make sure that you put the lines super together, not super apart. You just put them, just slap them on the sides of your nose. It's just going to contradict itself and make your nose look bigger. And we want to be sister snatched. James Charles, don't come for me. And then I'm just adding that red shade on the bottom lash line, blending that out with the first brush. some mascara. So I'm taking the Duo Clear Lash Glue. Then I'm just covering back up that glue with more black eyeliner. And also, since I did the eyes first, the powders kind of covered up like the wing. So I just wanted to go over that and make it bold again, make it black, make it show up. We're almost done, y'all. Almost done. Spraying my face with the more face setting spray. One more spritz. Dabbing that all into my skin and then going in with a highlighter. The one that I'm using is Milani, the Afterglow in the shade Strobe Light, and the Morphe M501. And this is where I realized that, wow, that was popping. Putting some on my nose and then realized that this was very vulgar. So I had to switch up the figure I was using because we don't want to get demonetized. Fixing up the nose contour. Putting the highlights with a tiny brush on the inside of my eye and the brow bone. And then I'm using the, I think it's Too Faced, the Too Faced liquid lipstick in the shade Child Star. And that is the completed look, y'all. So this is like a red smoky eye with a pop of gold in the center, nude lip, bright highlight, bronze cheeks. Oh, also, if you guys love my Sasshole shirt, my mom makes custom t-shirts. You guys should go check her out. I will put her link in the description. Twisted Southern Soul. Just go ahead and message her. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.